Here I have BYD car. In this particular case is BYD C-Liu, and let me show you how you can use the smart charging feature in this vehicle. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the BYD. Let's here find and select the settings. From list of settings, you need to use the left side and select here the energy. From energy, all you need to do is find and select the charging and discharging, as you can see here. And from this tab, let's select smart charging, the first option. As you can see here, you can use the smart charging feature. So what it is, this enables the scheduling system. If it's off, the car starts charging the moment you plug in. If it's on, it waits for your preset time. So let me enable the schedule charging, as you can see here, and you can choose the charging start time. So here you can choose the starting charge time. In my case, it's 11 p.m. It's every day. You can just do it once by using a single. You can tap custom and, for example, use it only on weekends. But in my case, let me use it every day. Or let me tap OK. What else? You've got here also the information, the charger connected from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. So basically, this is a logic setting. It says if I plug the car between 5 p.m. and 11 p.m., the car will wait until the 11 p.m. to start. But if I plug in after 11 p.m., it will start charging immediately. So it's quite useful to have this logic. As you can see here, you can also change the logic to, for example, 4 p.m. It depends on your choices. You can do it here, whatever you want. So basically that's it. The main benefit, of course, is to save money because charging during peak hours may cost you more. So you can just schedule this to your electricity bill to save some money on your charging. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.